In this video, a woman confidently brings a pallet jack to the truck, and a helpful man offers to assist. The two step onto the lift gate preparing to get the job done. But it seems the man may have been a little too captivated by his co-worker's charm, so much so that he missed a step and took an unexpected fall off the lift gate. In a crowded factory, a worker attempted to walk in front of a machine that was releasing a stack of wooden boards. The moment he stepped into the path, the machine suddenly pushed the boards forward. The stack shot ahead and the worker became trapped. Fortunately, the operator reacted quickly, reversed the machine, pulled the boards back and allowed the worker to escape. This incident shows why no one should ever pass in front of operating machines or moving loads. In a factory, an operator was working at an industrial machine. For a brief moment, he was distracted and rested his arm on the machine. At that exact moment, the moving parts activated, putting him in serious danger. Luckily, his co-workers acted fast and stopped the machine. This incident demonstrates that even the smallest lapse in attention can create risk when machines are running. Workers must stay fully focused during operation and avoid touching hazardous areas. In a large power plant, a light smoke was noticed in the generator area. It seemed insignificant at first, but quickly intensified, and the team immediately evacuated the area. This incident is a reminder that early warning signs such as smoke, unusual odors, or overheating should never be ignored. When these signs appear, teams must immediately secure the area and initiate a professional response. A worker was performing maintenance in the engine compartment of a vehicle. As he leaned forward, the engine unexpectedly started, and the vehicle began to roll backward. The worker found himself trapped in a dangerous position between the door and the vehicle body. Before working on the engine or transmission, the battery should be disconnected. The gear set to neutral and the parking brake applied. Workers should not place themselves between the vehicle and a fixed surface, and must always maintain a safe position. On a construction site, a worker was being lowered into a trench using an excavator bucket. As the operator began lifting him back up, the bottom of the trench suddenly collapsed. Within seconds, the soil buried the worker, and rescue was impossible. This incident reminds us that trench safety rules must never be ignored. Excavator buckets are not designed for transporting personnel and should never be used for that purpose. Ground conditions should be checked regularly. If signs of loosening, water leakage, or cracking appear, work must stop immediately. Workers were cleaning a manhole on a busy road, but there were no barriers, cones, or warning signs in the area. Suddenly, a vehicle approached at speed, drove over the open manhole, and struck the worker inside without noticing. When the car stopped, the situation became clear and the team intervened, but the incident had already happened. This incident shows the critical importance of creating a safe work zone during road and manhole operations. A coal mine worker was pushing a wheelbarrow full of coal toward a platform. However, the platform wasn't fully aligned, and there was a small gap on the surface. The worker didn't notice it and fell toward the opening along with the wheelbarrow. This incident is a reminder that platforms and walkways must always be properly closed and secured. Workers in a metal factory unknowingly found themselves standing underneath an active crane. When the crane lowered a heavy load, the workers ended up directly in the danger zone, the area. In a crowded work area, a worker was sitting right next to a large rotating metal wheel. While he continued his task, the machine suddenly malfunctioned, and the heavy wheel detached and dropped to the ground. This incident clearly showed how quickly equipment failures can become dangerous. It is unsafe to sit or wait near rotating or moving machinery. a press machine malfunctioned in a factory, and two workers approached to inspect the issue. The machine appeared to be still. One of the workers leaned in to examine the mechanism, and there was no movement. But the moment he leaned in a second time, the press suddenly activated and created a serious danger. This incident shows that even machines that look stopped can still pose a risk. A worker was lifting a heavy machine part with a crane, but the hook wasn't fully locked. Shortly after the load was raised, it slipped and dropped rapidly. The worker narrowly escaped a serious injury thanks to a small gap. The team quickly intervened and secured the load safely. This incident shows the importance of ensuring all connections are fully locked and the load balance is checked before any lifting operation. With heavy loads, there is no room for haste. The right equipment, proper locking, and maintaining a safe distance save lives.